what do you want for Christmas?
Hose.
Time again, in case you didn't know, it's also time for us to say this rap is our present to share with all of you. It's not old at all, but truly brand new. Christmas is a time to spend with family and friends, giving praise to God and hope it never ends. It's a time to be faithful, decorate your tree. It's also time for Santa Claus to come down the chimney. There's a lot of more meanings for this special work. That's why we made this rhyme, in case you never heard. Yuletide's a phrase people mostly say, and it's used by everyone in every kind of way.
It feels like Christmas time when water, food, gal and wine. We make love so our girl. It wake up our forefathers. No one can do it the way that you do. Believe me, there is no one, 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 no one. Pretty wine, what a pretty little face. Put more gal, wine up your waist. To the car, let's go for a ride. Don't worry, everything alright. I will never hurt you, never make you cry. I'm gonna never be ungrateful, forever like Simon and his wife. Love colorblind, looking at me eye, can't tell a lie. I'll sacrifice every man alive just to see a smile.
hood got me fucked up like everybody hates Chris. Call that nigga Method Man, guess how high we in this bitch. Get her money, make none, nigga better take that risk. Fuck around, cut into it while you stepping on my kick. Treat that bitch like a bond, keep it lit off the rip. Hit the booth, no lace every time cause I trip. Hella bars up in my head, but I don't know how to fix it. I been thinking about my angels, ain't gon' see him up on Christmas.
Just met this freak bitch at the job house, she on my hit list. You be fucking looking with like, why the fuck you hit this? Nigga broke as the fuck, always asking how you get this. Bitches getting big at the high school, hit the fitness. Bitch seeing sparkles, diamonds hitting from a distance. Bitch, you broke down bad, we gotta keep a distance. I said, bitch, you a dumbass bitch, never making sense. I just lost my perk in the car, fuck, I was pissed.
Some bitch in my roster, I had to scratch her off the list. I just sip like 2 cups, goddamn, I gotta piss. Cut the snakes in the grass, but I still heard him hiss. I helped Brody with his ribs, got me feeling like I'm hitch. Nigga asking hella questions, you a fed or you a snitch? Why this bitch lift her arm and she got a little stench? Took a look at her armpit, why this musty bitch drenched? Took a look at her armpits, it was hairy as shit.
It's the holidays, baby. Me and Sweet Lisa, we bout to pour out.
Christmas is my favorite time of the year. I get to spend it with my baby